Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stopping this intro right here, I just want to say I know that the backlighting on my hair looks crazy in this video. Since I did just switch around my rooms, I have yet to experiment with the lighting and the positioning of the camera since there is a ring light reflection in the mirror behind me. So yeah, just bear with me for the first couple videos with the new setup. I swapped complete rooms. It's going to be kind of hard to explain. So to take it back to the beginning, my two rooms, I have one used to be my old bedroom that I grew up in, and then the other room is my sister's room. However, she just moved out this past year, so I took over both. And her room was the bigger of the two, so when she moved out, I decided to get a new mattress since I've had mine for a while, and I upgraded to a king from a full. Since it was such a big upgrade, I decided to put the king size bed in the bigger room, which was my sister's old one. So I made her room my new bedroom, and then I had my closet room in my old room, which was known as my glam room. I love the setup. I think it looked really good. However, it just wasn't the most practical since my glam room does have so much furniture for my makeup setup and my clothes and dresser and everything. I just recently decided to swap my two rooms, so put my bed back in my old bedroom and then move my closet and everything into my sister's old bedroom, which is also my old bedroom because my bed used to be in here. I just think it's smarter to have a bigger room for my closet since my closet does have more furniture than just a king size bed. And there was an ongoing list of other reasons why I wanted to swap rooms in the first place, which I'll get into later on in the video. This was a very unexpected change. I didn't mention anything about this on my socials. I literally just woke up one day and was like, I've been wanting to do this change for a while. I thought about it but didn't really know if it would work. So I did it and I love it. So without further ado, let's just get into both the tours. So here's my new bedroom, which technically used to be my old bedroom. I know it's really confusing, but I think that this setup just fits a lot more appropriate for the room sizing, and it just looks better in my personal opinion. The reason why I didn't do the switch sooner or just put it like this to begin with when she moved out was because I wasn't sure if the king mattress was going to fit in here, but as you can see, it literally fits perfect. It has just enough room for two walkways on each side, and that's it. The bed's up against the wall. You can't even walk past there, and I actually prefer it that way. I like being kind of closed in when I sleep. There are so many reasons why I wanted to swap my rooms, but the number one was probably I got so many nosebleeds in this room, and that's because the heater here, as you can see, it's almost as big as the double window. This heater is half the size, and it got way too hot in this room, especially in the wintertime when the heat was on. That heater size is the same heater size that is in the living room that heats up the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room. It's definitely not needed in a bedroom, and it was just way too dry for me, and I would get bloody noses literally every single day. So getting right into the tour, I have one of the kitties here with me. She loves this new comforter. I just got this last week, and it's literally the softest thing that I've ever felt. I've always loved and preferred like bigger plush comforters, especially since we're coming up on winter time. So this is going to be my winter comforter. My summer / like spring comforter is just a plain white like light comforter. So yeah, the comforter is from Marshall's. I also have a heated blanket. This one's from Walmart. I always have heated blankets like year round. Even in the summer I sleep with them, so it was an investment for me. And then for my throw pillows, I have these two from Walmart. They're so soft and they were super cheap too. Usually plush pillows like that are like really expensive. I think these were like $7 or $8. These sequin ones are actually covers from Hobby Lobby, and I just put filling in them. And then this white one belongs to my summer comforter set. I always get questions about where my headboard is from. It's from Raymer and Flanigan. It's the June bed, and it's pretty affordable. It was only $300, and it comes with not only a headboard, but the whole like gray velvet frame around it. This is actually a rug. It's from IKEA. It's the Toft Lund. And then above my bed, I have this beautiful piece of wall decor. This was from Burlington. That's where I get like almost all of my wall art from, and it's so pretty. This is like the exact style of like what I want in my future house. Obviously, I love all my glitter and everything, but it's just not practical to decorate an entire house in. This is a lot more mature. It's just a simple style modern art. This was $30 from Burlington, and then I also have this glitter painting to take up this one wall. This one was from Burlington as well, and I'm pretty sure this one was $50. I also love like little detailing like this, and I got mirrored switch plates for this room and my glam room. I really love this mirror framed mirror. This was actually from Walmart, but I got it on Marketplace and it was super cheap. It was like $60, which is not a lot for a big mirror like this. Mirrors like this can go for crazy money, like even at Marshall's and like marked down stores, they're like at least $100. I had to grab it for my future house. All of the things that I've been buying are purchases for my future house. This blanket basket is from Target. I have I have Snickers blanket in here, just kind of draped over on the white side because I love and use this, so like I want it out and accessible. Also, I have these magnetic shades in here. These are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'll try and link everything down below that I can find online, so if you have questions about anything, just go to the description box. These two are so cute. I also have this floating nightstand that's from Home Depot, and I had this in my old room when I used to have a bunch of furniture and I literally couldn't fit a nightstand with even a full-size bed, so this was a must when I knew that I was going to put the bigger bed in the smaller room. Also, these mirrored closet doors are also from Amazon. It came with a regular wood frame, so if you guys do go down below and find the link, just know you do have to paint them white yourself. And then in front of my bed is just my TV. This again takes up the whole wall, but it is a 65-inch, so it is fairly large. I was also worried that this wasn't going to fit anywhere in here. I still have yet to decorate for Halloween. It's actually October 1st when I'm filming this, so I'm going to be decorating right after this video, but since I did have a switch up, I wanted to film like a regular tour of my bedroom and my glam room first, but that will be coming next, so stay tuned for that. And here is the new and improved glam room slash closet. I think that this setup just fits the room so much better. I also love this like floating island. I had all the right furniture, but just not enough space or like a good enough layout to work with in the other room, so I feel like here it gets to live its full potential. So right when you walk in is my Malm dresser. All of my white furniture pieces are from IKEA, and then I'll do my best to try and explain where like the tabletop little decor pieces are from. I think that this fits this wall perfect. The mirror is also from IKEA. It is a little bare. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for something that could maybe go above here or like something on each side. I do have these. I didn't yet hang them up because I don't know for a fact if I want them there, but like I was thinking one on each side. I just don't know if I really like this for in here anymore. This tissue box is from Home Goods or Marshall's. TJ Maxx, one of those stores. And then this glass candle piece is from Burlington. And then going over here, I just have these two lamps. This one is from At Home. It's a newer piece. I don't think I had since my last glam room tour, and it's so beautiful. I love it. It was a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. It gives off a really good amount of light, and it's just super pretty. It has a mirrored base, and it also matches my wax warmer. This is from Amazon. And then here is my makeup setup. I love it. It looks just so beautiful. So I have my two LX9 drawers here, and then in the middle is another 3-drawer Malm dresser. All the stuff inside pretty much stayed the same. My bras, my underwear, and then my socks and fuzzy socks. I am going to do a more in-depth tour of all the things in my makeup drawers, just because I did switch up some of these drawers just since I have this like floating desk here. I wanted all my super important essentials to be in these drawers. These two glass candle holders are also from Burlington. This one was $13 and this one was $10. I don't know how much this piece over here was. I ripped off the price tag because you could see it through the bottom, but I think it was maybe like $20, $25. This mirror, I have no idea what brand or where this is from because I actually got it yard sailing and I got it for free. The guy said that the lights didn't work, and it turns out one of the bulbs were just out, and my dad literally just popped a new one in and it turned on. So that was an amazing find, probably the best deal that I've ever gotten. I love yard sailing for deals like this. It also has 2 outlets and 2 SUBs on the side, which is really convenient, and it's dimmable over here. This rhinestone tray is the matching set to the tissue box, and I'm pretty sure it was either from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those stores. All these pieces on top are from Burlington. Some of them have the price tags. This one was $7, and some of them don't. This one I think is the only one that's from maybe Hobby Lobby. I'm not 100% sure on that one. And then on the left side, I just have all of my necklaces hanging. This is an organizer from Amazon. I also have one on the side for any extra necklaces. On top of the right set of drawers, I have my YouTube plaque, of course, because of you guys, so thank you so much. I literally love that I get to look at this every single day. It's by far my favorite piece in here. Up top, I have a sparkly No. 5 Chanel Paris perfume picture. This is from Burlington. I'm not sure how much. It doesn't have a price tag on it, but I'm pretty sure it was like 15 or 20. And then moving over to the right corner, I have my IKEA shelf that has all of my Michael Kors displayed on it. If you guys don't know, that is my favorite brand. Guys, comment down below if you think that I should leave my windows plain like this with just the shades, or if I should hang up my white curtains that I used to have with like the really pretty like jeweled rod. I did repaint this room since I switched everything around. I had lots of holes and things that needed to be covered up, so ever since I repainted, I've kind of been like debating if I wanted to like put more holes to hang that up, like if it's worth it or not. Under the window I have this gray velvet jeweled ottoman. I love this piece. It's from Burlington. I like because it covers up the heater, and it also gives kind of seating in here if needed. In here I just have all of my travel bags and book bags. I actually reach for these a lot whenever I need to pack a bag, and I used to have them up in my attic. I did have my swimsuits in here, but it wasn't really practical because this whole big thing was taking up something that I only used 3 months out of the year. So I definitely like my bags in here. This blessed cross is from Hobby Lobby. It was $5. And then I have my glam lamp slash like chandelier. This is such a pretty piece. It was also a really expensive piece, but it was worth it. It matches in here so well. And it's controlled by like the step button, but I just have it hooked up to my Amazon Alexa, which is here. This desk is again all from IKEA. I love this like see-through drawer in the middle. This is supposed to go in like a custom built wardrobe, but I saw a tutorial on YouTube, I'll link it down below, of how you're supposed to measure it out and just put it in the middle to make like a desk. It has all of my jewelry on it. These gray velvet organizers are from Amazon, soap dispensers from Marshalls, acrylic phone stand from Burlington, and this mirror is from Sam's Club. It's a really nice LED mirror. It has magnifying ones on the sides, and I have all of my daily stuff in here, like my brow gel, mascara, and it can also close up as well. I really love this here because it's really nice to watch things when I do my makeup, get ready, or even film. And it's on like a swivel bracket so I can extend it out and twist it. I also love how you don't see any wires. My dad put an outlet up here behind the TV for me. So yeah, that is basically this entire room complete. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you guys are thinking about this new filming setup. Like I said, I am going to be decorating for Halloween, like basically now after I'm done filming, so stay tuned for a Halloween tour. I'm so excited to decorate for the season since it's like a whole new setup. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.